Namaste, welcome to Sisrekha's kitchen. Today I am making almond flour laddu with black raisins. It's a high protein snack and it is so delicious. This is the almond flour I am using. If you don't have the almond flour, you can grind the raw almonds and make a powder. Here I have 1 cup of almond flour, half a cup of black raisins. You can use black raisins or golden raisins. And half a teaspoon of cardamom powder. First I took the black raisins into my food processor and ground it into a paste. So it came out like a big lump like this. Now adding the almond flour to it and grinding again. Adding the cardamom powder also and grinding them together. Here you can see they all mixed nicely. Transfer them into a bowl. In another recipe I made the almond laddu with jaggery. I will give the link below. You can watch that video also if you are interested. Start making laddus. You don't have to add anything. You just have enough moisture from the black raisins to make the laddu. Just in case if you don't have enough moisture from the black raisins, you can add 1 teaspoon of ghee. With these measurements, I got 7 laddus. I hope you all try this easy and healthy recipe and please give me your feedback. Your feedback always helps me to improve. Thank you all for watching my video. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to like my Facebook page. Also visit my Telugu channel for more interesting recipes. If you connect to me on my WhatsApp channel, it's easy for you to share my videos with your WhatsApp groups. Thanks again all of you. I will see you in my next video. Until then, happy cooking.